In front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this Black Shark. Firstly, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now you need to choose additional settings and go into languages and input. From here, tap on manage keyboards and Gboard. After that, go into theme. Now you need to scroll down and choose show more at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all the available themes. Now click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and tap on apply. As you can see when I go back, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up, and this time tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background by clicking on it, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Now tap on next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider, click on done and manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. Lastly, tap on apply and choose home button. As you can see when I go back now, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!